How to mint NFTs using Mintable step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Mintable and how you can mint your NFTs using Mintable. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will go to mintable.app and you will land on this platform right here. Mintable is an NFT platform that allows you to sell, buy, and trade NFTs. We can mint NFTs on Mintable really easily, and it's one of the biggest platform out there. In order to mint NFTs on Mintable, you require a crypto wallet. So we can mint NFTs on Mintable on Ethereum and USD. So I have selected Ethereum and we need to sign up. Click on sign up right here and it allows you to create your own account. You can create your account with your email address and set up a reasonable password. Once your account is created on Mintable, then we have to connect our wallet. You can see that we can actually mint our NFTs for free on Mintable. There is no gas fee. So now I will be connecting my MetaMask. So just click on this option and it will open up your MetaMask wallet for you. If you do not have a MetaMask, you can get one by going to metamask.io and just creating a wallet with your email address. I will click on connect and you can see my MetaMask has been connected to my Mintable. And now you can see I have my account and I have my wallet. We are good to go and now we can start minting our NFTs on Mintable. In order to mint your NFTs, you will get the mint option right here. So I'm going to click on mint and now we have to select what kind of minting we are doing. First of all, we have blockchain. What blockchain we want to go for, Ethereum mainnet or Ethereum L2. If we go with Ethereum, we are going with a gasless, no transaction needed, and then we can select a traditional as well, which is going to be where we have a transaction fee. I will select Ethereum mainnet and gasless and click on proceed to mint. And here we create our NFT on Mintable. So first of all, we need to add a name for our NFT and we have to upload our NFT right here. To upload, just click on this option right here and select your NFT. So I have uploaded this NFT right here that I created and it will be added right here. You can add any kind of NFT on Mintable. You can add a PNG, you can add a GIF, video, image, and more. The maximum size can be 100 MB. Moving on, we have a private file. So you can add an unlockable content if you want to. Unlockable content is only revealed by the owner, and what we can do is we can upload any file we like, for example our address, and then we have our email address or anything like that. But for now I'm not gonna do that. Then we have item description. So this is where you will be telling your audience about your NFT, and I'm gonna go ahead and type in the description for my NFT. Make sure that your description is descriptive enough and you enter all the information. Moving on, we have listing details. Title. So for title, I'm going to add the name for my NFT. Then we have a subtitle and category. In category, we can select if it's a art, collectible, music, support, utility, and video. So it's an art, so I'm going to select this. In subcategory, we can select that what kind of art it is. Abstract art, animation, then we have calligraphy, cinema, and more. Well, this is an animation art. Moving on, we have type of sale. So this is where we select if it's going to be a fixed price NFT or it's going to be an auction. I will be listing it as a fixed and we will just enter the price right here. Or if you go with auction, then you will have to enter the details for auction length and add a starting bid and buy now price as well. I will go with fixed and enter the amount for my NFT, which is going to be 0.04 Ethereum. So at the time of making this video, 0.04 Ethereum is $73, and that's what I am charging for this NFT right here. So once you have added all the details right here, you will click on list item and your NFT will be minted on Mintable. You can see you'll just sign in with your wallet and there you go. Share it on social media to increase your chances of selling it. I can view my NFT now that I minted on Mintable. Mintable is literally one of the easiest platform out there to use, and it has a gas-free experience for us where we can create NFTs for free, and we can add all of the different details. So this is my metadata, royalty, then we have authenticity, and this is my NFT right here on Mintable. Now people will be able to buy this one for 0.04 Ethereum. That was the price, and this is my selling profile. I can change it if I want, and I can add more items. But this is how you will be minting your NFT on Mintable. It's super easy to do. Just create your account, connect your wallet, and then you will go to the mint option and add all the details that I showed you. This was a step-by-step tutorial for you guys to show you how to mint NFTs on Mintable. Now you can go back to your Mintable. If you want to buy NFTs, what you can do is you can explore the art, music, video, collectibles, sport, and utility. My NFT is an art section right here, and there are top collections as well. In top collections, the NFTs are being sold for higher prices, and the art is amazing. So if you are a creator and looking for a platform where you can mint your NFTs really easily, then Mintable is the platform for you. And this is how I have minted my NFT. Now I can go to my profile anytime to check the NFTs that I have listed. And in order to create a new NFT, what I can do is I can just go to the mint option. You can see if I go to my NFTs, it will show me the NFTs that I have. It will show me the listing that I have created. And you can see I already got like one view for my NFT that I just listed as an example. You will also be able to see your earnings right here. You can create your own store with Mintable and sell NFTs for thousands of dollars using Mintable. If we talk about the mintable.app platform, then you can see right here that we have all categories, and you will be able to explore and create and mint NFTs in all of the different categories that we have here. We have abstract art, African art, animation, animes, then in music, we have acid rock and others, then there is support too. So you can just simply, select any of the category and mint your NFTs. Even in the browse section, you can actually check out different collectibles and all NFTs. When you will be minting any NFT like in open platform, then it will be shown right here with rest of the NFTs, and you can see some of the NFTs that have been minted on Mintable, and the art looks pretty amazing. You can see how cool this one is, and the art is being sold for 1.8 Ethereum. This one is 500 Ethereum, and this one is 1, this is 0.096. So it also depends on the Ethereum price at the time of when you are creating your NFT or minting it. So you can see we can mint NFTs for free on Mintable. That is the best thing about the platform. And we can sell the NFTs for thousands of dollars. If you have a good collection and if you are a verified creator, then you will be added right here in the creator section, and your collection will be shown as a verified collection on Mintable. So make sure to create a collection as well. You can go to your profile option right here, and you can create a store of your own. You can check out your orders right here as I showed you before, and I will be able to create another item very quickly by just going to this option. And again, we will just repeat what we just did and create our own NFT. All of the listings are shown right here. We can also get reviews on Mintable. So it is just like having an account, like a social media account that we have. And you can see I already got like 3 views, and this is my NFT value, and I can mint more and more NFTs right here on Mintable and sell them online for thousands of dollars. I can also switch to USD to make it easier for myself if I don't want to deal in Ethereum, so I can just earn in USD directly as well. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.